Hi, Celine sayang. Hello, my beautiful girl. Celine sayang. Good morning. I love you so much. I miss you. Ma, I want you. I'm longing for you, sayang. Celine sayang. Celine sayang. I let you, sayang. Have a nice day today, okay? I love you.